Just last week, the Savannah City Council passed a memorandum to appoint a special assistant United States attorney to crack down on gun violence in Savannah on a federal level. Though the decision was not unanimous, Mayor Van Johnson emphasized his own excitement about the new position during his weekly press conference today. And WSAV's Daisy Kershaw has been following the story for us. She joins us now with this live report.
Ben, Mayor Van Johnson reiterated today that this is a big step for the city of Savannah in the fight against gun violence. He says that this will allow them to take another step. They've focused on the prevention measures and intervention measures, and implementing this new position will allow them to take a prosecutorial approach to the issue.
And as I said, I'm not going to let gun crime be the narrative in our city.
A step towards a safer Savannah. That's what Mayor Van Johnson says the decision to appoint a special assistant United States attorney offers the city.
This has happened in other cities throughout the country and has worked out well. For us, it means that we're serious about gun crimes, and we're serious about those who are involved in gun-related activities in our community.
The decision comes as the hostess city continues to grapple with the devastating impacts of gunplay, something the mayor says Georgia's gun laws exacerbate.
We have a gun law in Georgia that makes no sense. As a result, guns are across the country being used in crimes that are traced back to Georgia. Georgia's the #1 state in which these guns are traced back to. So we have to do something. And we know that we have a state system that is backlogged, but we have trigger pullers on our streets. And some of them are involving themselves in crimes that reach the federal plateau.
Once appointed, the assistant attorney will prosecute people for federal offenses like felony possession of a firearm or gang-related crime.
Federal governments have jurisdiction nationwide. So if there are guns emanated in or out Savannah, if there's activity going on between state lines, the U.S. attorney is empowered to go after these individuals nationwide.
And the mayor says prosecuting shooters on the federal level means harsher sentences.
We know that federal time is real time, it's significant time, and you do that time anywhere in the country. And so here's an opportunity for us to do something big, to do something significant.
Now that the money for the position has been appropriated, the hiring process is underway. The mayor today laying out a rough timeline of when he expects the position to be appointed. He says that between vetting them on the federal level and finding a candidate, that it will take several weeks to fill the position. Live in Savannah, Daisy Kershaw, WSAV News 3 on your side.